Good morning, sir. This is Group 5, Unit 9, Biodiversity and the Health Society. What is biodiversity? Biodiversity refers to the variety of life found in ecosystem. Ito yung iba't ibang uri ng buhay na matatagpuan mo sa isang ecosystem. Tas ito yung pinagsama sa dalawang salita, yung biological saka diversity. O kaya, ang pinagkakaiba nito, example na lang, ay halimbawa, yung iba't ibang kulay ng buhok ng mga tao o kaya yung iba't ibang uri ng mga mansanas. Genetic diversity is the variety of genes in different organisms such as plant, animal, and microorganism. For example, in humans, some genes express different characteristics. Ecological diversity refers to the variety of ecosystem of habitats in a given region. Some term related to biodiversity. Species exist solely in particular area. Some endemic species can only be found in a particular country, region, or continent. The Philippines is known one of the world hotspot for endemic species. Some endemic species in our country include the tamaraw, tarsier, and Luzon hornbills. Ito yung mga parang iba't ibang uri ng mga hayop o halaman. Ay yung mga example nito ay yung hindi mo siya makikita sa iba't ibang lugar. Parang mayroon lang siyang some place na doon mo lang makikita. Kunyari yung tamaraw, doon mo lang siya makikita sa Mindoro. Yung sa tarsier, sa Chocolate Hills. Sa ecosystem service naman, refers to the benefits that the ecosystem provides to human through the transformation of resources. Ito yung mga parang nagbibigay ng mga pangangailangan sa atin. O kaya sila yung nagbibigay daan para makakain tayo o mabuhay. Example na lang dito yung land, water, mga veggies, saka iba pa. So, importance of biodiversity. Biodiversity affects human in various aspects, including economy, health, culture, aesthetic, and environmental issue. Ito naman yung mga kung ano yung epekto sa atin sa mga tao. Example na lang dito yung mga kalusugan mo. Tapos meron din tayo mga iba't ibang hayop na pinagkukunan ng pagkain. Tapos meron din tayo nakukuha ibang pagkain mula sa mga puno. Example na yung prutas. Sa mga hayop naman is karne, itlog, dugo, mga ganun. Sa biodiversity loss naman, biodiversity loss refers to the depletion or reduction of biological diversity due to various threats to living organisms in their habitats. Ito naman yung pagkawala o pagkakaiba-iba ng buhay. Example na lang nito ay yung pagkasira. Kunyari, example, lindol, bagyo, tsunami. Sa atin naman, mga ginagawa ng mga tao kaya nagkakawala o nag-iiba-iba is pollution, yung mga pagtatapon na lang ng mga basura kung saan, sample sa ilog, mga ganon. The International Union for Conservation of Nature is the global authority on the natural world status and the measure needed to safeguard it. They formulated so-called IUCN Red List categories that define the risk of extinction of non-species. Ito na yung extinct. The last individual of the species has died. Example lang nito ay mga golden toads o kaya mga sea lions. Example 2. Extinct in the wild is known to only survive in cultivation and cannot be found in the wild or its expected habitat anymore. Example nito, alagos, curassow o kaya Hawaiian crow. Number 3, critically endangered. When the species is considered to be extremely high risk of extinction. Example, yung Philippine eagle o kaya yung sinabi ko kanina tamaraw. Number 4, mga endangered. When the species is considered to be at very high risk of extinction. Ito yung mga deers o kaya hornbill. Vulnerable. When the species is considered to be high risk of extinction. Yung dugong. Yun. Number 6. Near threatened. The species is close qualifying for a threatened category in the near future. Example is bull shark, smooth cauliflower coral. 7. Least concern. The species is widespread and abundant. Example is conus or giant reed. Number 8. Data deficient. There is inadequate information to make a risk assessment of the species. Ito yung mga poison frog o kaya cherry plum. Not evaluated. The species has not been evaluated yet.
Cause of biodiversity loss, habitats alteration and destruction. Loss of habitats due to alteration and destruction has massive impact to the biodiversity factors such as deforestation, urbanization, fire, and land conversion. Impact 85% of all species under threatened or endangered category. Population is condition wherein there is an abnormality in the amount of natural occurring compound such as heavy metals, nitrates, cyanide, agricultural waste, sewage, pathogens, and gases, to name a few. High concentration of the substance make of unfavorable environmental condition leading to disease and even death of organism. Risk and downside of genetic modified organism ecosystem. Risk: GMOs pose threat of potentially become insensitive species if they become unregulated. Many GMOs are known to grow fast and increasing rapidly.